Now I am going to discuss about the concentration of solution. Solution, as we have studied that it is a mixture, homogeneous mixture which contains solid and liquid. Solid that present in the solution is known as solid, and the liquid that dissolves solid in it is known as solvent. The solution is a homogeneous mixture containing solute and solvent. The concentration of a solution, as solid is dissolved in a liquid, so solid is less amount than liquid. So definition of concentration of solution is the mass of solid in gram percent in 100 ग्राम of the solution. यानी मान लीजिए कोई सॉल्यूशन है, जैसे हम लोग शुगर वाटर में डिजोल्व करें, शुगर सॉल्यूशन, तो शुगर सॉल्यूशन का यदि मान लीजिए 100 ग्राम है, तो उसमें शुगर कितना, 10 ग्राम, 50 ग्राम, 40 ग्राम, ठीक है. हाउ मच मास ऑफ sugar present in 100 gram of solution of sugar and water. The mass of solid in gram present in, if there is 100 gram of solution of sugar and water, let it contains 10 gram of sugar. That means the concentration of solution is mass of solid by mass of solution. If 10 gram of solid is present in 100 gram of solution, so its concentration will be, let 10 gram of sugar dissolve in 100 gram of solution, then concentration will be 10 by 100 into 100. That means 10 gram is the concentration of sugar in 100 gram of solution. That means it is the mass of the solid that dissolve in liquid and the mass of solution. Total mass, that means mass of solid plus mass of liquid. So mass of solid in gram percent in 100 grams of the solution is called concentration of solution. So this is the called solution of the concentration of a solution. किसी भी सॉल्यूशन का कंसंट्रेशन जो है क्या होगा, उस सॉल्यूशन में कितने ग्राम मास है सॉलिड का, 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन है, ठीक है. तो उसको हम लोग इस तरीके से निकालेंगे. ये आपका इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ये आपका एग्जाम पर्पस से भी और एग्जाम पर्पस से भी आपका इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एग्जाम में भी इससे आपका आ सकता है. जैसे क्वेश्चन हो सकता है 100 gram of sugar solution contains 20 gram of sugar. Then what will be the concentration of sugar? So we can find it by the given formula, mass of solid, that means 20 gram of sugar present in 100 gram of solution. Therefore, concentration of solution is 20 by 100 multiplied by 100. So it is 20. So we can find it by given formula. But there is another condition. Solution may contains liquid and liquid. Both liquids may present in the solution. As for example, we can mix alcohol in water, lemon juice in water, orange juice in water. So this solution contains both liquids. So in that condition, if both is liquid, that means solution contains both solid and solvent are liquid, then formula will be same, only we can change mass is changed to volume. That means if the solution is prepared by mixing two liquids, then we can use the formula, the concentration of a solution is equal to volume of solid. That means the volume of the substance, one liquid that contain into another liquid, by volume of solution. As for example, 30 milliliter of alcohol is mixed in 70 milliliter of water. Then the concentration of solution will be 30 by 30 plus 70. 30 milliliter is alcohol and 70 milliliter is water. If it can also vary, as 50 gram of alcohol is mixed with 100 gram of water, then यदि मान लीजिए 50 ग्राम अल्कोहल को 100 ग्राम पानी में मिक्स किया, तो उस कंडीशन में आपका सॉल्यूशन कितना हो गया? सॉल्यूशन हो गया 50 प्लस 150 milliliter. That means volume of solution will be 150 milliliter. So the concentration of that solution will be 50 by 150 into 100. That means 33 and 1 by 3 milliliter will be the concentration of that solution. So it is noted that it will be the mixture. That means both solid and solvent, the mass or volume of both solid and solvent will be counted in solution. If 100 milliliter of water containing 10 milliliter of water and 10 milliliter of alcohol, then the volume of solution will be 100 plus 10, that means 110. So on. In this formula, if 10 gram of sugar is mixed with 200 gram of water, then the concentration of solution will be 10 by 200 plus 10 into 100. That means 10 by 200, 10 into 100. 100 by 21. So it contains the mass of both solid and liquid. Now another term is solubility. Solubility is the amount of solid that can dissolve. Amount of solid that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solute at a specific temperature is known as solubility of that solid substance. यानी किसी भी solid substance की solubility क्या होगी? वह कितना मात्रा में किसी लिक्विड में डिजोल्व हो। 100 ग्राम लिक्विड में एक स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर पे वह डिजोल्व हो।